watched a bunch of videos. I've been watching videos on lathes for years. I have never used a woodworking lathe before. This is my first time. I have, though, in metal shop, when I was a kid, used a metalworking lathe, which was quite fun. And I also did some spinning with metal, where you usually get like a wooden form and you spin a heavy sheet metal to fit a form. And I can actually get a kit for this lathe to do metal spinning. And I might do that down the road. I did enjoy doing that a lot. Eventually I do want to get a metalworking 3-in-1 kind of drill mill lathe. I did enjoy that a lot, but they're quite pricey. So basically I'm going to rough this out, and I'm super nervous, super nervous. So before I turn the drill on, I'm going to get my face shield and we'll give this a shot. Okay, so I got my face shield on. Let me flip it up so I sound a little better right now. And my safety glasses. Now my safety glasses, when I bought my actual glasses, I got safety lenses. So they're my safety glasses. And then the face shield will protect my whole face. The safety glasses maybe are probably not necessary with the face shield. I'm under the opinion that it doesn't hurt. And I am going to be all about safety. You're going to see a lot of changes because of this. And we'll talk about this in another episode. But let's put it this way. I don't like kickback. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and power this on. I have this on the slowest speed, which is about 332, 335. Just to make sure. I did already spin it to make sure it didn't hit the tool rest. Excuse me. And now I'm going to bring it up to about 5. About 480. I stopped it started to tool and I caught it, and it doesn't really seem to be grabbing too well. So I'm going to go ahead and really put this chuck in. The spurs are spinning. And this is probably not the best wood to do this with. This is Purdue. That's what I had on hand. I probably would be better off with a softer wood. Another thing I saw on videos were, rest this here, see how it's bouncing? I'm not round yet. But I'm going to have to say this is a lot of fun. Should have probably taken this center off and put the chuck in. Directions said I could just stick it right in, but it would have given me a little more clearance. And now you can see when I put that there, there's a little at the end. but we're not bouncing anymore. And I should have a nice round shape. And looks like we do. Or that. I turned a cylinder. Yay, I turned a cylinder. Okay, well, it really wasn't that difficult. Kind of like it. Kind of like it. Okay, I'm going to try smoothing that out with this tool, which out of a lot of the tools I heard is kind of difficult, but I'm going to speed up the 1,000 RPMs. Move on to the parting tool. I'm just going to part down. Now I'm not sure, but it doesn't quite feel right. I'm going to lower the tool rest just a little and come in now that we're round. Okay, let's try it now. Much better. Okay, so I just marked, I'm going to do a bead and a cove down to a flat or something. Just mess around. I don't really care if it doesn't come out good. It's my first turning. It's just for practice. So go ahead and turn this on. And I'm going to mark. Okay, I'm having a hard time seeing on this dark wood, so let's see. There we go. And my marks. Tool speed up. Go with the parting tool again. I got a big gouge right there out of it. Not even sure what it's supposed to be. It's ugly. But I don't know. Let's try. Just gonna take some off. Is I do want to go ahead and redefine this a little bit. This right in here. I want it to be a little more steady. That. I'm going to go ahead. Speed. Burnish it a little with the shavings. Be surprised what it can bring up. You can see the shine coming up. Alright, look at that. It's already got shine in it, and it's super smooth. Right, I did a little 220, and then I jumped to 1,000. I didn't have anything in between. And then I burnished it. It's got shine. It doesn't even got finish on it yet. You can really see the shine on it there. There's no finish on that. That's just from sanding and burnishing. Really kind of cool. I am going to put a little mineral oil on it. Spin this way down. Okay, now that I have it really applied, I will go ahead and increase the speed and try buffing it out. There we go. Not too bad. My other polish or finish was here. It'd be a little more shinier, but not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the chuck, and I think I'm done with it. It is just basically my first turning. I'll stick it in the back somewhere, maybe up with my first carving. Not bad. I'll probably look back on it like I did with my first carving and actually just think it's kind of not that great, but I'm happy with it at this time, which means that's a good thing, at least. It's not, I mean, it's not too bad. This could be down a little. But yeah, without any calipers or anything to measure yet. Did pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. Okay, I do like this face shield. I think it has other good uses when I'm not just turning. I might use it when I do some routing and stuff. Works pretty good. I'll take it off for now though. So lathe worked pretty good. I really don't have a problem with it. One of the things I need to do with it is obviously can't stay over here on top of my router table, bandsaw table. Also, it's a little high. It could come down a couple inches. I think more of my table height for my workbench is probably better. And I need to build a little roll-around cabinet for it. Originally, when I wanted to get a benchtop lathe, it was going to be something I could pull out and stick up. But I opted for this bigger lathe that can do outboard turning and stuff. And it weighs about 130 pounds. And it's a little too much to keep bringing in and out, especially since I'm kind of weakling. But nice cabinet, and then maybe I can get some storage down. It needs to go over there, over by my lumber rack, and then I can roll it out and do work with it. So I want it to have wheels and all that kind of stuff.